Hey folks, so we are going to begin our descent further down into our final colonial region, and that will be the Southern Colonies. Southern Colonies include Maryland, Virginia, which is where Jamestown was founded, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. Objective today is I will be able to analyze primary and secondary sources to determine how the Southern Colonies use their geography to support their economy using a worksheet. Your success checklist is below. So, the makeup of this is just like the last 2 days. There might be a little bit more reading, but it's exactly the same. So you're going to work your way through the documents. Now, there are more level 2 questions in this particular worksheet than there were in the last worksheet, but I have full faith in you. You'll be able to do it. And then you're just going to end on the exit ticket. How did the geography and climate of the Southern Colonies influence their economy? Make sure you're using evidence from the documents to support your response. I should be seeing, according to the document, I should be seeing us cite the document number when we discuss.